Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Gemmy Inflatable Fan is probably one of the most important components of your festive decorations, keeping them inflated and eye-catching throughout the season. But what happens when your fan stops working? In this video, we'll dive into the world of Gemmy Inflatable Fan replacements, helping you choose the perfect fan to keep your holiday spirit soaring high. Number 5. DONGERMAER 12V 1.5A Air Blower Replacement. Is your Christmas inflatable looking a little deflated? This replacement air blower is here to save the day. It's designed to get your outdoor decorations back up and running, ready to spread holiday joy. This 12V 1.5A adapter is perfect for a variety of Christmas inflatables. Before you order, double-check the voltage and connector to ensure it's a match for your decorations. The DONGERMAER power supply is UL certified, ensuring safe operation. It handles 100-240V input and provides a stable 12V output, suitable for most US households. The rated watts is 12W. This blower comes with a 6.6-foot light string featuring bright bulbs. Attach it to your inflatables to illuminate them, making them shine brightly during the evening. Have any questions? Contact us anytime through Contact Sellers. Our service team is ready to provide premium support and help you with any issues you may encounter. What we like. This one comes with a 1.5A adapter, ensuring it can handle a variety of inflatables. It also includes a 6.6-foot light string to brighten up your decorations. If you have a larger inflatable or need a reliable, safe power supply, this is a great choice. What people say. This replacement is better than the original the inflatable came with. It comes with lights. The lights are brighter and the Christmas tree is fully inflated. The old light modules, 5 of them, had only one LED on each module, whereas this set has 3 LEDs on each light module, which is much better since it gives more light from inside the decoration at night. Airflow is great and it's relatively silent, quieter than the other blow-ups we have running. Number 4. Hiboom 12V Mini Air Blower with LED Light. This is the Hiboom replacement fan blower, designed for your inflatable decorations. It's a reliable solution to keep your inflatables inflated and looking their best. The blower operates on 12V power and comes with a 1.5A adapter. This ensures it has enough power to keep the air flowing steadily, maintaining the shape of your inflatables. It includes a 6.6-foot light string with 3 bright LEDs. Attach this to your inflatables, and it will illuminate them and the surrounding area, enhancing the festive atmosphere. Connect the adapter to a power source, and this fan blower provides a consistent airflow. This steady flow ensures your inflatables stay full of air throughout their use. This powerful fan is a great decoration tool for various inflatables. Whether it's a ghost, witch, pumpkin, or ball, it will help make them stand out. The package includes the 1.5A replacement fan blower, the light string, and a 1.5A power adapter. The blower is made of durable ABS and PC materials, ensuring it's insulated, waterproof, and heat-resistant. What we like. This mini blower is perfect for smaller inflatables, with a 3 LED light string to add a festive glow. It provides a steady airflow to keep your decorations inflated. If you like a compact design with bright lights, this is the one for you. What people say. Order this replacement and works great with no issues. Installation was easy. This was a great replacement for our ELF blow-up. The broken fan was easy to remove and this was very easy to replace. This blower was super easy to install into an inflatable yard decoration whose original fan had broken. It took maybe 15 minutes to remove the old motor, install the new motor and lights, and test it out. Number 3. Gemmy JDH 7530S Replacement Fan Blower with Light String. Is your Gemmy inflatable looking a little sad? This replacement fan blower is the solution. It will get your inflatable back up and running in no time. This is the JDH 7530S model, designed specifically for Gemmy inflatables. It's a direct replacement, so the installation is easy. This blower provides the airflow your inflatable needs. It operates at 0.5A with a 12V 0.67A adapter, ensuring efficient performance. This replacement also comes with a 32-inch light string. It will keep your inflatable illuminated, day or night. The JDH7530S is designed for easy installation. Simply replace your old blower with this one, and you're good to go. It's a quick fix to keep your decorations looking great. What we like. This is a direct replacement for a Gemmy Inflatable, with a 32-inch light string. It's designed to fit specific Gemmy models, ensuring a perfect match. If you have a Gemmy Inflatable and need a precise replacement, this is the ideal option. What people say. The fan is exactly what I needed to get my inflatable working again. It fit perfectly and was easy to install. The product works great. Number 2. Air blower for inflatables with LED lights. This mini air blower is perfect for all your holiday and party inflatables. It's designed for easy home use, ensuring your decorations are always ready to go. This will be a great helper. Not only does it inflate, but it also features a string of 3 LED lights. You can easily fix them onto your inflatable, making it more colorful and eye-catching. It will make your inflatable more attractive. The fan motor is made of pure copper, ensuring high temperature resistance and safe operation. With a 12V 1.2A power output and a speed of 3500-4400 rmin, it fills your inflatables quickly. This design ensures both safety and efficiency. The air blower is made from environmentally friendly PBT raw materials. It's pollution-free and odorless, meeting various international standards. It's a safe and responsible choice for your home. Whether it's Halloween, Christmas, or any holiday party, this air blower is your go-to solution. It's designed to make your inflatable decoration stand out, creating a festive atmosphere. Get ready to celebrate with ease. What we like. This blower features a copper motor for safety and efficiency, along with 3 LED lights to illuminate your inflatable. It's made with environmentally friendly materials. If you're looking for a safe and eco-conscious choice, this is a great option. What people say. This was a near-perfect replacement for a fan that failed. This worked in my inflatable that the fan just died. So now my inflatable works great again. Works well and includes everything in the pack, a good product. Number 1. Gemmy Replacement 1.0A Fan Blower. This is a replacement fan blower for Gemmy air-blown inflatables. It comes with a 1.0A adapter. It's designed to keep your inflatables up and running. This fan blower operates at 1.0 amps, providing efficient airflow. It's a reliable solution for maintaining your inflatable decorations. This is a great replacement option. The included adapter is 12 volts and 1.0 amps, ensuring proper power delivery. It's specifically designed for use with Gemmy air-blown inflatables. This ensures the blower functions correctly. It also features a super bright LED light. This enhances the visibility of your inflatable, especially at night. The light adds a festive touch. This replacement fan blower is easy to install. It's a convenient way to keep your inflatable decorations looking their best. It's a simple fix for a common problem. What we like. This one offers a 1.0A fan with a matching adapter and a super bright LED. It's a straightforward replacement designed for Gemmy inflatables. If you want a simple, bright, and direct replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked great to replace a burnt-out blower on one of our Halloween decorations. This blower is exactly what I needed to get my inflatable up and running again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.